to the point. So I got Geometry Dash back thanks to someone who commented on my video, and I'm trying to get all my stats back on like a new account. And so I'm just gonna be doing my first 3 games that I haven't beat: the Nightmare, the Lightning Road, and Speed Racer. I've not played these in a while, so we're just gonna kinda just jump straight into it. I'm gonna go into practice mode, because this, I don't have my icons. Like, I only have my colors right now, but I do have like a bit of my stats now. One that I started fresh because me and my friend were sharing an account, and I'm like, I think I just want to start fresh. Plus, I couldn't save and load my own data, so like it was weird. So yeah, I just want to, you know, start fresh. Alright. Let's just, yeah, that didn't take long. Let's just go into normal mode. You're joking. I didn't know that you had to buffer click or whatever. I just thought you had to wait a little bit, and I waited too long. Well, that sucks. Died at 95 on my first attempt. Oh no, that's so funny. I'm gonna beat it, like, bruh. Yeah. This is like, I've never really tried doing like this kind of style video. Like, you know? I mean, I've tried kinda a bit. I know, like, it came like me a long time ago, like a year ago or something. Me trying to record a Minecraft video. A cringy Minecraft survival thing, but the recording kept on messing up, and so I couldn't do it. But, I don't know. That was really cringe back then. I feel like I'm a lot less cringe now. If I would, like, if I had an actual editor, I'd probably just cut to me being super cringe and then just my crazy reaction, you know. But I can't somehow. I don't know why that transition used to be so hard for me. But yeah, I swear, if I die at the end of the game, I'm gonna be so mad. Alright. Jump immediately, let's go, I beat it. Apologies. Alright, so, we beat the first demon. Let's go. Alright, so that was the first demon. Nice. Yeah. Alright, next up we have the Lightning Road. I knew I could do the Nightmare, but like the Lightning Road and then Speed Racer, I don't know if I can do. Oh my god, I'm already feeling. Cause like, I mean, for sure I don't know, Speed Racer's probably gonna take me a while. But the Lightning Road is just kind of memory, you know, or muscle memory, whatever, you know. Okay, I think I know why. Okay, that's a dumb gameplay mechanic. I used to like not understand that, so I had like this weird way of doing it. I forget the way now. Oh my god. This is way harder than oh my god, and there's so much memory. But I mean, it's not too bad. Cause like, I mean, yeah, it's just not too bad. But there will be stuff that I will probably forget. Let's see how our first attempt goes. Yep, nice. Just dying right after, and asking how my first attempt to be honest. I have to change a few settings, I think, like, yeah, I have to change a few more settings, like making it not show, like, the checkpoint stuff in practical, like, you know, like the little thing that you have to use on mobile. There we go, alright, come on. Oh my god, I'm gonna die to this level. Here we go. Okay, I get it now. That is so hard. What kind of gameplay is that? Like, hello? Yes, let's go. Alright, come on. Died to memory. Oh my god. 61. Alright. Don't be an idiot. Nice. I'm an idiot. 64. Not 24. Oh no. Alright, come on. My god. I'm so dumb. I might have to do another practice one. Alright, here. Let's just practice this memory ball. And then, you know, you just beat the level. Okay. I kinda get it, but I'm still gonna die for a while. Alright, yeah, here we go. Ah, 79. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I told you I'd die there. If I can get past there, I could probably beat the whole thing now. Man. Oh, 87. Shoot. Dang it. That was quite a big fail. Oh no. And it's 4:20 p.m. Oh, that's so funny. What am I doing? I'm being so bad right now. I'm spending too much time on this. My heart is doing this a hard game. Like, come on. Oh, by the way, I haven't been able to get a progress video out because I've been struggling with it a lot, but I have 44% on it. And so I just wanted to say real quickly, because I can't really make any progress on it to get a progress video. I'm just repeating myself. But anyways, I'm trying to jump to my first Insane Demon. Probably will be a while, and I probably will beat another hard demon before I beat the Insane Demon. But the Insane Demon is Bukiki 2 by Jonathan GD. And yeah, so I have 44% on it like 3 times or something. Yeah, you know, I'm kinda going right now. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. was a good thing that I did say that, because now I can just put that in the completion. Let's go. Finally. Oh my god. Dislike. Oh my god. Alright. Now we have the last one. Speed Racer. Wait, how many attempts at the lightning? Oh no, 39. That is not good. I do not like to see that. This is gonna take me like 100 attempts. Oh my god. Probably not 100, like between 50 and 100. Wait, do you not hit? Wait, huh? Am I just dumb, or is the game bugging? Or is the level bugging? No, the level's bugging. Alright, oh my god, and that. Bum, bum, bum. I do still have like a bit of faith in me. Actually, no, I have no faith in me. No. Oh my god, no. Memory, I can't do this. I straight up can't. I had faith in me, but now I don't. Because I'm realizing how much memory I lose. Oh my god, here we go. This part, I died to it a few times. Wait, no. Oh, not this part. This part is probably like the easiest part. Oh my god. Then you guys that hurt. Okay, yeah, this is the part that I was worried about. Oh, alright, so you just like go up until like you can like actually go down. Let's go. Yeah, it's only like the ball parts that I remember. It's just that the ship parts are just hard to like keep on going up and down, you know, like falling and stuff. No, 54. That really sucks. Oh my god. Further than the rest of the best, you know? 55. No! Oh my god, that's probably like one of the hardest parts. What was that? What was that? No, I knew I was gonna die there. No, oh my god. What is happening? No, not again. I knew it. I hate this level. Wait, no. I thought I died. 90. Come on, bruh. Oh my god, I did it! Yes! Let's go. And I also got 200 stars, wow. And 10,000 hearts, okay. Ooh, 45 attempts. That was actually quite good. I like it, alright? So I beat them all. I will admit they were quite fun. My least favorite was actually probably the Lightning Road because of the memory. Speed Racer was a bit fun, even though, I was just kind of failing a lot. But, yeah. This is kind of the style of, I don't know, what. I've never really kind of done this style of videos, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.